Okay, this will be a pretty quick one. Recall last day we had some questions like this. There's an angle, there is a side, and there is a side given opposite this angle. The question is how many triangles are possible? Either 0, 1 triangle, or 2. So again, we drew a horizontal line. We drew this angle here. That's approximately 42 degrees. There's A. B I took and put here as 12. And I want to know if A is 9, maybe it's there, maybe it's here, maybe it's there, I don't know yet. How many triangles can I make? So the first thing you have to do is find out what is the minimum length required to make a triangle, because if it's less than the height here, then it's going to be 0. No triangles are going to be possible. So going back to grade 10, sine of 42 is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, find what h is, solve this for h. It's 12 times sine 42. And if I put that in my calculator, what's this in degrees? 12 times sine 42, and the height is just over 8. Let's go 8.0. Okay. This is at least 8. So I know I can make a triangle. The choice isn't going to be 0. Can I make just one triangle, or can I make 2? And recall, if A is less than B, but greater than the height, there are 2 triangles that you can make. And visually, well, 9 is bigger than 8. I could put one there. Okay, it's less than 12, bigger than 8. Or I could put one about there-ish. So there are 2 possible triangles. That's the ambiguous case. So there's also some questions where, okay, and I just did these separately as a separate day. What if this first angle we draw is bigger than 90? What if this first angle we draw is obtuse? So it's just a little different. What if that is 110 degrees, B is 12, and A is 13? Well, start with a little horizontal piece, but A is going to be obviously bigger than 90. It's going to be 110, which maybe would look like something like that. Okay, there's A. B we're going to put in the same place. That's over here. A is 13. Well, visually, how many triangles can I make? 0, 1, 2. Well, again, this has to join here and here, this length, and visually, I guess we could assume, because it's longer than that, that would be the only possibility. So there's no way to get 2 triangles if it's an obtuse angle. Okay? So in this case, there's only one possibility. And what if A was 14? Well, it would just be a bit longer. What if A was 20? It would just be a bit longer. Okay, I got the same angle. This is still 12. That's my only 2 given things. But in any case here, if A is greater than B, you're always going to have just one triangle. Okay. If A is equal to B, well, common sense. How do I draw that triangle if this is the same length? It's not going to join. Let me erase all that. I mean, if that's 12 and it goes off in some other angle over here, I mean, it's not going to join this section. It doesn't make a triangle. I could write it right on top of the other line, but then again, it doesn't make a triangle. It just makes a line. So, in any case, if A is less than or equal to B, then there is no triangle possible. And that's your only two choices for an obtuse angle when we draw these things. Okay, there's no other possibility that exists. So this one's kind of easier. Questions that I didn't write down are on this other page. Okay, 1C and 4A to C. So those are the ones in between the other questions we did last day. Okay, I didn't even write the page here. But these are the obtuse guys. Also add number 11. Okay, make sure you do this one. You're going to see that one again on the test. That's page 183.